Okay guys, in this video, we are going to create a realistic neckband as well as apply top stitches onto this t-shirt. So first of all, let's see a couple examples here. This is the neckband that we want to achieve here. So we have right here, top stitches around the neckband as well as binding right here in the back. And I'm going to show you how to achieve that. Okay, let's get to CLO and then let's create the binding as well as the top stitches. So first of all, to create binding, I have two options. The first easy and quickest option to do here, we will use this binding tool, click on it to select. And then I'm going to rotate this shirt here and click one right here to start, continue clicking, and then I'm going to click twice here to create the binding. After that, I will use this edit binding tool and come over here to this binding. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to create another fabric here for binding. I'm going to click on the trim fabric and then select copy here, and I'm going to name this binding. After that, I want to change that color to somewhat a little bit lighter. We'll use this edit binding tool, and after that, I will click on that binding and come over here to the property editor. I will change the fabric here to binding. Alright, so next let's rotate here so we can see the binding. I kind of like the fabric a little bit lighter. So how about right there? After that, I will click on apply and close. Next, I will hover the mouse over that binding right there. And I'm going to right click and we want to select flip normal. Alright, so after that, let's simulate. Before I'm going to simulate though, I will strengthen the garment here. And then simulate. And stop the simulation and let unstrengthen here. Alright, so right here, this is the binding. That is the first option that we would do. However though, to apply the stitches right here, so let's get back to that. So if we look at closely here, we have these two stitches at the edge of the, let's look at this one. We have two stitches, one is on the top and one is on the bottom. To achieve that, we will use the second option. So the second option, we are going to remove this binding first. So I'm going to use this edit binding tool. Then click on that binding right there. Press on delete or backspace on the keyboard to delete. Alright, so now we are going to come over here. And first of all, I'm going to unlink this pattern here. Remove link editing for both back and front. After that, I'm going to convert this to curve point here. And I also want to convert these to baseline. And logo. Now I'm going to convert this point to curve point as well.